Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today I am going to share with you guys a design team project for Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures. And I used her two of her new kits. One is Harvest Waltz Vintage, which has vintage undertones, and the other one is just Harvest Waltz, and it has pink papers and all with it, so you know how much I love my pink. So in this completed project, I have used actually both of the kits, and again, this is my design team project for Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures. Now, if you saw my last design team project, that is where I took a Reader's Digest and actually made a purse out of the Reader's Digest with the kit, and then some laces and appliques and goodies that I had in my stash. These flowers, I've got one on the front and one on the back. We have some little pink pearls here. Of course, her kits are all on this. The outside, front, and back, as well as lined on the inside with a pocket. And then we have some vintage lace here and some muslin for the handles. Now, for my design team project today, it is actually what is inside this. This right here is my design team project today. So we needed to make something to go in our purse. And what I actually decided to do, because I could not decide between an ephemera folder or a journal, so what I did was a combo. So we actually have two signatures in this, and it is made from an antique book. So the actual book covers is antique book. Put some book corners on it, but I actually made it two signatures. The first signature is a pretty much a naked journal, and the second signature is like an ephemera folder. So we will go ahead. So she just slides out right out of the top here. So there is our purse, and for the purse handle, I did make this. You can't really call it a tassel now. This is only like tied and wrapped twice. But what I wanted to do was just have like a long snippet of various laces and trims and blings. So we have like a string of flat back pearls here and some strings of simulated diamonds here. So we have two strands of each on those. I did make a dangle here, a pink dangle, if you can see that, on a ball pen. And I also, right here, if you can see it here, this is one of the hat pins that has the little thing on the bottom of it, of course, to keep you from, you know, stabbing yourself. But this is just tied. It's not even tied in a knot, where that could come out and you could actually use all of these laces and trims. And I do have one strand of pink applique there on the front. So that is part of my design team project today. It's just a bunch of pretty laces and stuff, all different sizes. Absolutely beautiful. I love the way that that turned out. So we will set that to the side. So for today, this is my design team project. So again, this is an antique book, and I just covered it in the beautiful digitals here on the front and the back, and also on the inside. So that is that. So let me get some measurements for you on this book, if I know how to hold a ruler correct. So that is a little, almost 7.5 by about almost a little over 4 1/4 is the size of the journal slash ephemera holder. So the first thing that I did, of course, was cover this in her beautiful digitals, and this actually says Waltz. I tried not to cover up the word Waltz with this lace, but anyway, it just happened. I got going and I couldn't stop. So yeah, again, we have the book corners on the front and the back. Almost got those covered up as well. Beautiful lace. There is actually, down the spine, we have a piece of muslin, a piece of, I guess you would call it a blush color, if you can see it in right here, of lace. And then I put this beautiful, thick, gorgeous lace here, wrapped it around, and this is the whole piece of that lace, and wrapped it all the way to the back, left that sticking out the front. And then on the bottom, it's layered with some lace, so sticking out here, we have some white lace here, just went from the front, wrapped it around the spine, and then to the back, and then this cute little tulle trim here. So there's tulle here, some white trim here, and then these pearls over it, and again wrapped it around the spine and then all the way to the back. That way we had some yumminess coming out of the bottom. And then this right here is a wedding applique, and then I have just a piece of lace here. This piece here is from a vintage wedding dress that I had purchased, and then just some bling there. This was some, I took this actually off of some jewelry, so we have that there. And we open her up, and there's that lace that I also, that blush looking lace that I have on the front, and that muslin. And then this is one of her beautiful digitals. So again, it is 2 signatures, guys. So we have the first and second signature. So the first signature is a naked journal. All I have is beautiful lace and appliques on some of the pages. So we will just flip through this. We have some avocado dyed music sheet that was in my stash. And this right here, guys, can be used. Let me grab something that may work. Let's just use this. That right there can be used as a pocket to tuck something in right there. So we have that there cascading down the bottom. And then another page from her beautiful kit. Some avocado dyed line paper, and another piece of a blush lace applique there. Look at that pumpkin. How cute is that? I absolutely love these papers, guys. And then this back here with the different laces and fabrics is so pretty. And then we have some lace trim here. Avocado dyed paper, avocado dyed dolly there. Another beautiful image from her kit. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And this one is the vintage. Amazing. So that's the Harvest Waltz vintage. And I love how she did this clipboard too, and incorporated that in there. This is the middle of the signature. How gorgeous that is. It's like satin or silk material and different kinds of laces and dollies. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the other side of that envelope, again, you could put something in there. So I did keep the journal part, you know, pretty naked, other than the appliques and the trims and laces. There's another piece there on that avocado dyed paper. Another piece of that applique lace trim. So pretty. Oh, look, 100% organic cotton. That is so pretty. I know my camera is not picking it up. I just can't. Maybe that's better. Explain how vibrant and beautiful these digitals are. And again, here, this right here can be used as a tuck spot behind that, and it's the same as the other one, whereas the other one stuck out past the bottom. This one actually sticks out past the top. So that is the end of the first signature, which is a journal. Now we're going to get into the Harvest Waltz, and this is the one with the pink tones. Is what I used to make the ephemera. And what I did, guys, with the pages for the ephemera holder, because I knew I needed it to be more sturdy, is I actually printed out these on cardstock. So there's that same applique lace there in a blush pink. Turn it over, guys. And I'm not going to pull out all of these pieces because there is so much ephemera that I did put in here. But if you will see here, we have actually 2 pockets here. This is one strip from the kit. And this one is from the vintage, and this is the Harvest Waltz. I just put a thing of glue down through the middle to close it off into 2 pockets, and in all of these pockets are different items from or embellishments, there we go, from the kit. And then over here we have another long pocket and journaling cards. Had it in there upside down. Different journaling cards from the kit. So all of these that I put in there. And then we have some eyelet trim here that is actually a really light pink. And turn it over here, and we have some more of that beautiful lace applique there. And again, just some more little strips and pieces from the ephemera in the kit. Just stuck down in there waiting to be used. We have a double pocket here. So again, we have some more. It says Hello Fall. Ephemera from the kit there, and up there in that little pocket. And then here we have some more lace trim, and this I actually dyed a real pretty pink color. Love the way that turned out. Back here we have another pocket, and again just some more pieces of ephemera from the kit. Is that upside down? Yep, I guess I'm notorious for putting things in upside down. I apologize. So pretty. And got this trim going down through here. This piece was actually really wide, so I ended up cutting it in half. And then this one here, this is the middle of our signature for the ephemera part. And this, guys, is actually sweaters. Isn't that gorgeous how she did that? Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have more lace here. More lace over here on this side. That is absolutely stunning there. So this right here is actually a pocket, and it looks like I failed to put anything in there, so let's just grab that for good measure. So that is a pocket there. And again, some more of that beautiful lace that I hand dyed there. And then we have another pocket here, and a little journaling card, and another little card from the kit. Oh, there's a third one down in there. Yep, there's another one. So we have all of those in that pocket there. Okay, Lori, get it in there. Okay, there we go. And then here I have a pocket sideways coming this way. And again, just loads of little journaling cards. I also put, like, these are some of the words from the kit. Oh, it's not going to focus. But those are some words from the kit. Also stuck those in there. So I thought that would be fun. And they just go down in that pocket there. Some more of that beautiful lace trim here. And then some more of the eyelet trim right here in a really, really light pink. And then here again we have 2 smaller pockets here. We have one at the bottom and one at the top. And just, there's so many fun small pieces in there. So yeah, and then this one just has all of the fussy cut pumpkins. Look at how cute. Super cute. So we just put those in this pocket here, or we said we did. Here we go. So those are in that pocket. And then over here we have another journaling card, and all of these pockets were made out of journaling cards from the kit, guys. And we have 2 pieces of ephemera there in that pocket. And again, some more beautiful lace trim, applique trim. I'm not really sure what you call it. And then this blush pink back here. And this is the last page, and then the back cover. And this was so pretty, guys, I didn't want to cover it up with anything, so yeah, that's why I didn't put anything back there. And then we have the back. So that is her from the side. Absolutely love it. So then we just take our purse, and we're gonna move our handles out of the way, and she just tucks right down in here, and you could put her as far down in there as you want. And then you have all of this beautifulness from my other design team project here, and then of course all of that from our ephemera holder sticking out there. So yep, it looks gorgeous. And again, all of this lace trims is just on a bulb pin, and I just wrapped it around one of the handles. So that is my front, and then here is my back. And again, you can see how all of that just looks beautiful together. You can see the corners here sticking out. Absolutely gorgeous. So I am in love with this kit, guys, and I am so excited, and honestly so in love with the way that this project turned out. I mean, Doreen's kits are so gorgeous. It makes it really, really easy to be inspired. I knocked my shoe over. To be inspired by her digitals. I mean, they are absolutely gorgeous. And I am over here like, you know, waiting on the next kit and cannot wait. Yeah, there's that beautiful flower there. So yeah, so this is my design team project. I think I'm going to move that and just lay her all the way down. For Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures. I will make sure to leave all of her links below in the description box. So her YouTube, Facebook, I will make sure that her Etsy shop is linked below. So you guys go over there and check her out. She is absolutely amazing. And I did see a video the other day where she said she was going to actually start making more YouTube videos. So I am super excited about that because I love her YouTube videos. Alright guys, thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Again, go over and check out Doreen's Etsy shop and her YouTube channel. I will also leave a link below to all of my fellow design team members for Doreen at Oohlala Vintage Treasures. So you guys go over and show them some love. Subscribe to their channels. Let them know that I sent you over there, because they are amazing, guys. Oh my gosh. They make some of the prettiest things I have ever seen in my life. So if you like pretty and you like shabby chic, please go over and check out my fellow design team members. Alright guys, I love you all, and as always, please support my channel by hitting that like button and leaving me a comment and let me know what you think about my project. Alright, I love you guys, and we will see you soon. Bye bye.